to be able to cancel your Whoop membership is that you need to type whoop.com/membership. After that, if you can't really directly log in, then you should manually log in or sign into your account. After that is you need to click your profile icon in the top right corner. I believe it will be placed right here since I don't have any account. And go to your membership, and under that there's an account settings. If you're eligible enough, you'll see an option to cancel membership. Note that not everyone can cancel their membership, so it varies from every account. So follow the prompts to confirm, then make sure you've completed your contract term. If not, this is what I mean, that early cancellation fees may apply, so not everyone can cancel their subscription. And that's it. Whoop membership is cancelled.